June 23rd. I wasn't sure if this will ripen.
It looks delicious.
Oh, thank you.
But it's ripe.
Yes, it is ripe.
But when you're done making a video of it, and then I get it and then eat it.
Oh yes, that's correct.
It's delicious. If I eat that, that would make me grow to a strong man.
That's correct. You see.
Because it's like a vegetable that is but this tiny good bacteria on it. That's why you can eat it, because if you eat it, you will grow strong, because you know there's good bacteria on it.
Yes, that's correct. So let's tell them what's going on.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, so let's listen. This was turning color, and I didn't know if the birds will eat it or not. So today when I came out, I was gonna pick it. It dropped onto the pot. So I'm like, oh yeah, great. So this is an unripe one. You can use it to compare. It's green. It's definitely not ripe. But this one, you see how? This is why mulberry gets messy. It's very when it's ripe. See? There you go. So why don't you try it and tell me what you think? Bite it. Bite it. Bite, not the whole thing. Do I not? Okay, try it.
Yummy.
No, eat it. Eat some of them. Did you just eat the whole thing? Okay.
It was so yummy.
Yeah. It only took him like a second. I don't know if he enjoyed it or what, but he ate the whole thing. What do you think about it?
It was really yummy. That's why I enjoyed it, because I like it.
Okay, great. Now this one's a little, what was that? I heard a bug around here somewhere. This one.
No, Mine, it was a honeybee.
Oh, is that honeybee? This is not from the same tree. I think this came from my sweet lavender or something. It dropped onto this tree, but he can have it. I'm gonna try this one. What do you eat that one? And tell me what you think. What do you think? What do you think about? Does that taste better or not as good?
Two of them taste better.
Okay, good. It means they both taste good. So this is one of my smaller Pakistan. I have a larger Pakistan, but oh my God, all the fruit dropped, like almost all of it. So I would say Pakistan is very rewarding to grow, except if you're not patient, you should expect it to drop for the first 5 years until the tree matures. So I hope you guys love this review.
Bye everyone. Good night.
Okay. I guess we're done.